18 bodies have been recovered from the Potomac River following collision between a passenger plane and an Army Blackhawk helicopter near Reagan National Airport in Washington, D.C. Rescue efforts are still underway, but no survivors have been found. American Airlines confirmed that 60 passengers and 4 crew members were on board the plane and has set up a hotline for families seeking information. Meanwhile, a U.S. defense official stated that 3 soldiers were aboard the Black Hawk helicopter. U.S. President Donald Trump said he has been fully briefed on the accident and is closely monitoring the situation. He added that more details will be provided as they emerge.